So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string pulling you up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out. We'll inhale, bring the hands together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. So inhale, looking up to the hands. Exhale, follow the hands down. And we'll inhale, exhale down. Do two more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around. Swap the arms over, coming up and around. So just in your own time, just notice the breathing. Just see if you're doing one whole breath to the movement, or do you change from inhale to exhale? Just try and concentrate on the breathing and just see what feels natural for you. Okay, so we're going to do extended forward bends. Have the feet hip width apart, bring the arms up. Now reach forwards as much as you can, drop the head down, and then we're going to roll on up through the spine. So inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale, reaching forwards. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, roll back up. So one more. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, forwards. Inhale there. Exhale, back to standing. Alright, so we're going to go through a few neck exercises. Keep the shoulders down. And we'll inhale. Exhale, slowly turn the head to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, slowly to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Now drop the ear towards the shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Back to center, then drop the ear to the other side. And center. So again, the left ear towards the shoulder, and if you want a deeper stretch, reach the right arm away. So lengthen through that right arm. Come back to center, and take the right ear towards the shoulder, and lengthen the left arm away. But only if that feels good. If it's too much, then keep the arm down. Come back to center. Now inhale, exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale, carefully drop the head back. Inhale, center. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop the head back. Inhale, back to the middle. Now squeeze the shoulders right up towards the ears. And lengthen the arms down towards the ground. Again, so squeeze, inhale, exhale, lengthen the arms. So one more, squeeze as much tension out of the shoulders as you can, and exhale, lengthen the arms. So relax, we'll go through the movements once each way. So inhale, exhale to the left, inhale center, exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Now drop the ear towards the shoulder, come back to center, and the other side, and center. So chin to chest, coming back up, drop the head back and back to center. So balance pose, star pose, standing on the left, and we'll bring that right leg up. So squeezing the belly button in, lengthen through the arms, and breathe. Now see if you can lift the leg a little higher. Maybe a little bit higher. And coming down. So other side. So body facing forwards, lengthen through the arms, lifting that left leg. Keep the belly button squeezed in. Now see if we lift a little higher. And a little bit higher. Keep breathing and coming down. Okay, so standing pose. We'll do warrior two. We'll turn that right foot 90 degrees, bend the right knee, back foot slightly angled, with the body facing forward, so shoulders above the hips. Arms shoulder level, and we'll gently turn the head to look along that right arm. So we're going to hold the pose, just one on each side, to make sure you're still breathing. Bring the arms down, and we'll turn the feet around. That left foot 90 degrees, back foot angled, and turning the head, looking along that left arm, keeping the shoulders down and relaxed, and breathe. And bring the arms down, and we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. So crown up towards the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.